Hello everyone. Is your car experiencing rough shifting, delayed gear changes, or even getting stuck in one gear? If your OBD-II scanner has detected P0754, Shift Solenoid A Intermittent, this means that your transmission's shift solenoid is not working consistently, leading to unpredictable shifting problems. In this video, I'll explain what P0754 means, its symptoms, and, most importantly, where to find the key sensors responsible for this issue. Let's get started. What is P0754? The P0754 trouble code appears when the powertrain control module detects inconsistent performance from Shift Solenoid A, which controls hydraulic pressure for gear shifting. If this issue isn't fixed, it can cause harsh or delayed shifting, slipping transmission, check engine light on, car stuck in limp mode, transmission overheating, and poor fuel economy. If you're experiencing these issues, let's locate the key components responsible for this problem. First, locate Shift Solenoid A. It's inside the transmission valve body, just above the transmission pan. Next, find the transmission fluid pressure sensor, mounted on the side of the transmission case near the valve body. The input speed sensor is located on the transmission case near the input shaft with a visible wiring harness. The transmission control module, or PCM, is usually found under the hood close to the battery or firewall. Finally, inspect the wiring and connectors running between the solenoids, sensors, and PCM for any damage or corrosion. Faulty Shift Solenoid A. If it's sticking intermittently, shifting will be unpredictable. Wiring or connector issues, corrosion, loose connections, or damaged wires can disrupt signals. Dirty or low transmission fluid, contaminated fluid can cause solenoid failure. Step 1. Check transmission fluid. Ensure it's clean and at the correct level. Step 2. Inspect Shift Solenoid A. Test its resistance with a multimeter. Step 5. Examine the input speed sensor, ISS. Compare data with the output speed sensor. Step 7. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and check for improvements. If left unfixed, P0754 can lead to serious transmission problems. Diagnosing and fixing it early can save you from expensive repairs. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.